Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica and today I have my update for Supernatural Pan Interrupted. This is a project that I created so long ago, back in 2018, August 19th of 2018 to be exact. I decided that I wanted to pan a product for every episode that ever aired of Supernatural because I absolutely love the show and of course I love panning, so I kind of put the two together. And it's 15 long seasons, and I did not think this through, apparently, how hard it was going to be to pan a product for every episode, because we are many years in and I'm still on season 6. It's a long way to go. I have started making my goals a little bit easier so that I can not be so stagnant in my updates. So that is what I have started doing, and I am making some progress with season 6. I do have one rollout. I'm going to go in order though, so we'll get to it when we get to it. It is not the first one that I'm going to talk about, but before that, I do have some people listed down below that I know of that are doing this project or have at some point in the many years that I've been doing it. And if you want to join in, by all means, I'd love to have you come pan Supernatural with me. It is just a chill project. There are no hard and fast rules. I started with 6 episodes and 6 products, but you can do as many or as few as you want. I just started with 6 because it's an important number within the show, but whatever works for you works for me. If you're doing it or you know someone that is doing it that is not listed down below, please let me know and I will get them put into my description box so other people can come and check you out and support you. All right, let's do this. Season 6, episode 11, Appointment in Samara. I have the Keys Soul Care Be Luminous Exfoliator in for 10 uses. I have not used it since the last update, and it's because I'm working on 2 exfoliators at once, and I do not keep this in my shower because it's glass, and I'm afraid I'm going to drop it and it's going to break. So I've been focusing on my other exfoliator. I really need to get at least a couple uses in on this one, but if I don't keep it in my shower, I'm going to forget to use it. So I don't know if other people use exfoliators outside of their shower, but I find it easier to just rinse everything off in the shower. I don't know. I need to find a way to make this work because glass in a shower scares me a whole lot, especially with 3 little kids in the house. All right, moving on to, oh, did I tell you how many? Yeah, just one so far. Moving on to episode 12, Like a Virgin. I had the Cleona Cosmetics nail lacquer in Dragon Teeny. Looks like this. I have it in for 3 uses. I have 2 uses already. I actually have this pulled out because I plan on redoing my nails tomorrow, and this is the polish that I want to use tomorrow. So if I could have extended this a little bit longer, I probably could have had another rollout, but it will be a rollout for next time. Who knows, I might change my mind by tomorrow and I might not actually use it, but that is my goal. That is my goal, to get that last use on it for tomorrow. Moving on to episode 13 from season 6, Unforgiven. I chose the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette and I chose the shade Hunts. I do have this on my eyes today. I brought this in for 5 uses. I only have 1 use so far because this was in my level up and I wanted to get all of that done before I actually started working on it for this project. So I used it in that project and now I've used it once in this one. So it's going to be hanging out for a little bit longer, but I am starting to use it now. All right, moving on to season 6, episode 15, The French Mistake. And I chose from Coastal Scents the Hot Pot Victorian Ruby for 5 uses. I do have this on my eyes as well today, and I have only used it once, and that was today. So at least I'm working on it. So there is that. Next up is my rollout for season 6, episode 16, and then there were none. I have the Not Your Mother's Naturals matcha green tea and wild apple blossom. I almost said butter mask. I always do that. It's so natural to want to say that. Conditioner. It's just the conditioner. I brought this in for 3 uses. I used it way more than 3 times, but that's okay. I can use it more. I just have to use it at least 3 times, and that baby is rolling out. So I will be rolling in the next episode, but I have one more. But wait, there's more. Season 6, episode 17, My Heart Will Go On, and I brought in the ColourPop Ballad Palette, the shade Fate, and I want to use this 3 times. So far I've only used it once, so that is going to stay in here, and I'm going to keep working on that. So we need to roll in Season 6, Episode 18, which is called Frontierland. Give me a sec, and I will pull up the synopsis and go over that with you. It says, Bobby discovers that ashes from a phoenix can kill Eve. Dean finds Samuel Colt's diary where he claims to have killed a phoenix in Sunrise, Wyoming in 1861. Castiel sends them back in time. In 1861, the brothers witness the hanging of Elias Finch, who informs the judge, the sheriff, and the deputy that they are all going to burn. Finch reappears to burn the judge and sheriff to death, and Dean is proclaimed as the new town sheriff. This was a funny episode. Sam finds Colt and tries to convince Colt to help him kill Elias, who is in fact the Phoenix. Meanwhile, Castiel is seriously injured by Rachel. He tells Bobby he can only regain his power by touching a human soul, when Bobby offers up his own. Back in 1861, Dean kills Finch with Colt's gun. Castiel brings them back to the present before they are able to collect the ashes. A mysterious package from Samuel Colt arrives containing a jar with the ashes of the Phoenix. That was a very interesting episode. I've watched this one multiple times. There are parts of it that are absolutely hysterical. It's definitely worth a watch. So I went with the idea of the ashes being used for the Phoenix, from the Phoenix, I should say, to kill Eve. And with that, let me get back to my spreadsheet because I'm all over the place. I have chosen yet another eyeshadow because why wouldn't I? This is the Coastal Scents Hot Pot in Ash Gray. And yeah, I now have 2 grays in this project. I'm bringing it in for 3 uses. I'm going to show you what it looks like. That's what she looks like. It is like a taupey gray on my skin. And this is Fate, which I tried to throw. And I do think they will play nice together. So this is Fate, this is Ash Gray, and now my fingers are covered in gray. So 3 uses. I think that should be fairly easy to get done. And we'll see how nice they play together. If you see me with some dark looking eyes, it is going to be because of this project. And I do have blacks in other projects, which will of course play nice with the grays. But that is everything for this update. I feel like I'm finally at that place where I'm going to be able to start rolling through these prompts and some product because, yeah, for a while there, it got like pretty stagnant. Things weren't happening, and I was working on products to finish, which it's good to finish things, but if it takes you 6 months to finish one product and you're rolling through not very quick, it would take me 100 years to get through this project. It would. Not that I'm trying to rush through it, but, you know, I'm only on season 6, and I've been doing it since 2018. Do the math on that. It's been a hot minute. So, yeah, this is working out much better for me. I feel like the updates are a lot more exciting than, well, I'm still not done working on this product here. So, I think this is just going to work out better for me. I'm going to continue on with this type of update and these types of goals because, you know, It's a lot more fun for me, and it's probably a lot more fun for you. Definitely go check out everyone else that has joined in. They're going to be down below. And like I said, if you want to join in, I'd love to have you on this crazy painting journey. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.